I've said numerous times that I'm not into novelty pieces, and I'm not. But every once in a while, Coach will drop something that's absolutely adorable. And so there were some things that I decided to pick up from the outlets. And there was also a bag from Dooney and Berg that I did not expect to get, but was so necessary. So if you want to see what those items are, just keep watching. Hey, I'm Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we're all about looking and feeling your best for less. So if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe. But let's get into this haul. So I'm going to start with the smaller items first. So I got 3 SLGs from the Coach outlet. One I picked up last week when I was actually there in person to grab the Eliza top handle that I unboxed a few days ago, but the other items I ordered. So the second item I actually ordered off of the Coach website online. The third piece was sold out online, so I called around to some of the outlets and was able to actually get that piece shipped to me directly from an outlet store. So I want to thank the SA first of all in Washington. I'm not gonna say her name because she may not want to be aired out, but she is in, I think I've already peeled the label off of here, so I can't even tell you. I remember her name. I'm not going to say her name, but she was from an outlet in Washington. So we're going to start with the item that's actually not wrapped up because I grabbed it from the outlet last week when I was there. So I decided that I wanted to get something from the the fruit basket line. In particular the cherry print, which I think is absolutely adorable. So I do not own a pencil case from Coach. Like, I don't own not a one. So I decided this would be the perfect time to go ahead and grab a pencil case in this print. And so this is what she looks like. You can see she's just the regular canvas with the cherry print. And then you've got the leather tab here. The zipper is gold. The inside of this is like a vinyl, like a burgundy-ish vinyl. Really cute. So I probably won't use this for pencils. This will probably be like a mini cosmetic case. I could see myself throwing like glosses, eyeliners, you know, small bottles of perfume in here. So that's more than likely what this will be used for. Now, the second item was shipped to me, so it came in an envelope. And I'm getting better, guys, about remembering to take labels off because there have been a few times where I've done whole unboxings with my address label like showing in the frame and everything, and I had to go back during editing and cover it up or move stuff around. So I'm finally remembering to not be so excited about unboxing that I don't take the labels off before I hit record. So I took the labels off this time so we don't have to edit anything out. But this next item I picked up was what does Coach call this? The wristlet? Is it the corner zip wristlet? But yeah, I got the wristlet. Also in the cherry print. I thought this would be nice to use like a wallet. Get the stuffing out of here so we can get on the inside. And it was really stuffed. Okay, so the inside of this is like a burgundy or oxblood fabric lining, and as you can see, the back wall has a card holder. So there are 2 card slots here, and the rest is just open. And it's very subtle. You can barely see it, but it does say Coach right here on the front. It's like gold. I almost didn't see that. Another detail, there are little spots on, not on every cherry, but on random cherries, you'll see Coach written on top or to the side. So this print is just really cute to me. First of all, the colors are just everything. Y'all know how I love pinks and reds and burgundy. So this collection was really a no-brainer for me. I'm not big on novelty items, so I could not see myself carrying a handbag with this stuff on it. That would just be way too much for me. But the SLGs would definitely be right up my alley. So the third SLG that I grabbed, let's get into it. This was actually came in a box. And this is the one that I actually had to call around for. So I actually got a pay by link for this particular item because it was sold out online. But one of my fellow members in the coach group that I'm on Facebook posted last week like about 20 phone numbers for different outlets that still had items available. So I just started texting those numbers, asking about pieces, and when somebody responded, I got my item. So, okay, the receipt, this is the North Bend, Washington on South Fork Avenue. So this came from the North Bend, Washington outlet. And like I said, I'm not going to say the SA's name. They may not want their name on YouTube. But if you're watching, thank you so much for securing this for me. And as you can see, it's very nicely wrapped. Y'all probably know what it is now by the shape, huh? I've been holding on to these boxes for days, y'all. This was the last item to come, and it came last night at like 9:30. So I'm up before work filming this because I just couldn't wait to open my packages. Like, I've been holding on to everything, waiting on this final piece so that I could unbox them all together. So the last item that I picked up was a sunglasses holder. Guys, this was actually the favorite piece to me from the collection. I absolutely love this. I don't own a sunglasses holder outside of the holders that come with the glasses that I've purchased. And I only have maybe one pair of designer frames, and they're Gucci's. So all of the other sunglasses that I have came with like little satin or cloth holders, but nothing like this, with the exception of the Gucci glasses. So I was really happy to be able to add a sunglass holder to my collection, and for less than $40. So this is really cute. As you can see, the inside is like a tannish microfiber. You have a clip here. So this is adorable. So you could actually clip this to the outside of a bag if you wanted to. If you were carrying a smaller bag and didn't want to take up space, you could clip this to the bag so that you could save space on the inside. This is just this is super cute. And then it has, you can see the gold Coach hang tag right here on the hook. Gold hardware. It has a turn lock closure. This is super, super cute, guys. Like, if you were into this fruit basket collection, I strongly recommend getting a sunglass case. If you don't get nothing else, get you a sunglass case. Like, these are so cute and so nice. This feels so well made, and I'm just, this might be my favorite piece, period, out of the entire haul, and I haven't even opened up the last item yet, but I'm in love with this. I cannot wait to use these items. So let's move on to the final item. So let me get some of this stuff out of the way. So guys, I'm a little confused about this last item that I grabbed. So let me just go ahead and say, I'm going to go ahead and blame Dazzle. Dazzle Me 77 is the reason why I have this bag. Y'all know, if y'all have been with me for any amount of time, you guys know how I am about Dooney and Berg satchels and about the size and the weight. I think they're too big and too much, even though I love the silhouette. So this is something that I said I would not get because of the size. Kind of like the all-weather leather satchel that I got a few months ago that I said was too big, but was just so pretty I had to get it, and I carried it just fine. Well, this is one of those items as well. It's the same size bag, and it is a satchel, but it's the color that made me get it, because It's one of those things where I don't think I've ever seen this color and don't know if I would ever see it again. And this is something that I wanted even more than the denim in the Dooney and Berg Florentine leather. So despite the size, it's something that once I saw Dazzle Me 77 with it, I just had to have it. But I'm a little confused. So let's get into it. I've already kind of taken the tape off of the box so that I can just get right into it. So what I actually ordered was the Sorento satchel. This is what it says online. The Dooney and Berg Sorento satchel. And they had an awesome sale on it. And they had probably about 7 or 8 colors available at the time that I purchased mine. But I got it in the pink color. So let me get into this and then we can talk a little bit about why I'm confused. So, you know, after I ordered this bag, of course, I was excited for it to arrive. So I started going online and doing additional research, looking for unboxings and reviews and whatnot. And I was specifically looking for this color. And I came across a couple of videos. Unique Monique Designs was the first person who I watched. I really enjoy her content and like her channel. She has a great Dooney collection. But she unboxed the Sorento. But hers looks different than mine. So let me get into it. Let me get this off. So this one is 21 of 25. And do you all see this? Y'all see this item, the item code? So we're going to go, we'll revisit this in just a couple of minutes. So let me get this stuff off of here first. Ugh, this is adorable, guys. This is so beautiful. This is so pretty. Ugh. It don't feel as heavy as the all-weather leather satchel either. This is so pretty. Okay. So because this is supposed to be Sorento and it's not Florentine, it's not going to have the green suede up under. It's the same color as the bag. It does feel like, well, is this leather or suede? It's leather. So it's the same material on both sides of the tassel and it's the same color. I don't know why Dooney and Berg does this. They had the little strip of paper like right over here, like covering up the tag. And this isn't Florentine leather, so it didn't impact it at all. But I was watching the Pecan Tan Beauty and she and a couple of other Dooney nieces were saying that they wish that Dooney would stop putting the little tabs right here on front, because what happens with the Florentine leather, it starts to patina around that piece of paper, and then when you get the bag and unpack it and take that paper off, the color is uneven. So I don't know why they feel the need to protect that when they wrap these things up so tightly as is. But anyway, let me get this off of here. So the website calls this a Sorento satchel, but I'm confused because when I received it in the mail, it says BTWST 1980. So when I Googled this item code, it came up with the Dooney and Berg website as the Twist Hobo, which is out of stock. They not even making it anymore. I was able to go to the website, but it's the Twist Satchel. So I'm confused about, the website calls this a Sorento satchel. The paperwork that I received is saying it's the Twist Satchel. And then Unique Monique Designs has the same bag, and she was calling it the Milano because she has one that she purchased that she believed to be the Sorento, but it had the gold metal plate instead of the matching leather tab that this has on it. So y'all, I don't know what this is. I know I ordered it off Dooney and Berg, and Dooney called it the Sorento satchel, but the paperwork they sent to me is saying something else. I don't know if maybe they changed the name of the Twist satchel to the Sorento. Is that it? But if any of you guys know what the confusion and mix-up is with what the actual name of this bag is, I would really appreciate it. But I'm trying to get all of the wrapping off of here, and this stuff is wrapped so tight. This is obviously not a return. But guys, I thought this baby pink color was just gorgeous. There was no way I was gonna leave this bag on the website, because y'all know how Dooney is with these colors. Like, they come and go, and no telling when you'll see this color again. And then on top of that, the resale market, the way they like to bust heads, if they know it's something that's rare, not available online, you'll end up paying more than retail for something that's not even brand new. So I'm just, you know, I went on ahead and grabbed it because I just needed this color in my life. Y'all know how I am about my pink. So I don't think I've ever seen a satchel in this color before. So I'm almost done, guys, getting this stuff off. Gosh. Okay. So now that the handles are completely free of the plastic, we can get a better look at her. So we can see she's a light baby pink. I don't know what Dooney is calling this. If they just pink, PK, whatever that stands for. I guess that's pink. But it is definitely pink. It's not mauve. It's not burgundy. It is pink. She has gold hardware and gold feet. Now, the gold hardware on here is the lighter and shinier gold. On the Florentine pieces, the gold is more brassy. It's darker, and it's doesn't have the shiny finish on it. But this is a more champagne colored gold, and it is definitely shiny. So we get on the inside of this bag, and it has a typical Dooney setup. It's the red interior, but again, this is in Florentine, so there's no suede on top. But the leather lining on the inside, or the leather trim, is pink, just like the bag. So you've got your detachable, removable strap. This bag is in here. And this bag is really stuffed. I'm not going to take all the stuffing out, just wanted to get the dust bag out so that you could see. But the inside is just like all the Dooneys. You've got the zip pocket and slip pocket on the back wall. And then on the front pocket, you have the large slip pocket. And here we go. I see it's not going to take anything to get her to smile, because she's doing it already on her own, and she's not even full. But guys, let me know what you think about this particular bag and the names and the confusion around the names. Why would Dooney call it the Sorento satchel and then send me paperwork that says something else? I'm really confused about this with the BTWST 1980. So again, and I don't know what the 1980 is either, but I would just really be interested to know if anyone knows what's going on with this particular bag, what they call it, if there's been a name change. But this leather is pebbled leather, but the pebble is smoother than the pebbled leather on the all-weather leather, and it's smoother than the pebbled leather on their just regular pebble. So maybe that's why they're calling this leather something different. So it's softer, and it feels a little thinner, but not in a bad way. Just not as heavy, not as thick, not as heavy, but really still durable. I mean, you know, it's still gonna have that Dooney quality and durability, but this feels a little lighter weight than the other pebbled leathers that I have. And the texture, again, it's definitely pebbled, but it's a smoother pebble. The pebbles aren't as raised, if that makes sense. It's textured, but not as textured as some of the other Dooney pebbled leathers. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to come on here real quick and show you guys what I picked up from Dooney and Coach before I went to work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and comment down below. And also let me know if you have any information on this Dooney and Berg satchel. And until the next time we see each other, take care of yourselves. Bye.